Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn about how to create a GoHighLevel store. Step by step I will guide you how you can create products, how you can design your store, and how you can add your payment methods and how you can add products as well. So without wasting time, let me dive in a video. So it's super easy. I just log into my GoHighLevel account. I just white label it. That's the backend in a GoHighLevel. So here you can see I just log in our test account. I just go to simply site, and after the site, and here you see you can design funnels website, but right now we are going to design a store. I just click on it and I have these stores done for my client, but let me create another one. And here we have two options. We can create from blank and we can create from templates. So I'm going to create a blank here. We will say that test store. Once you create a store, these pages are automatically created here. So we need to set it and we need to optimize it according to our store and according to our design. So the first thing is that that's a home page. We can update it according to our design or whatever you have in your mind. I just simply click on edit button, and in edit button it's take time to load, and here is some dummy data. Yeah, here is a dummy data. We don't want it. We simply say that we don't want it and we can just remove it. So first of all we will set the menu, and it's the same as we did for other like funnels for websites. It's a similar. So what we can do, we can say that show the code icon and show the search bar here as well, because it's a e-commerce store, so we need a search bar. Sometime customer need to search the products. So here is a logo, and I would say we're not going to use logo. Okay, and we can change here. Okay, let me use a logo but remove the text here. Simply click on it and I will utilize the logo here. Here is another leads flex logo. I just simply click on it. I will make it, the width is not good, and here we can set the width. It's still not looks good. Yeah, so you can resize it according to your requirement, but here is the features how you can change it. So I just set the logo and I just set the menu as well, and what they say I can make it a center. Yeah, I just make in a center, and line height it's already quite bit. Okay, that's the okay finish red line, and after that we can design according to our requirement. That's a we can say that that's not a final touch, so you can make your touch according to your requirement. But right now I just guide you things here how you can handle your all things here in a menu. You can just put a link to your pages, and here is all your pages. Just simply click on it. If you want to add a link, just simply click on it, go to pages and select the product collection or pages, that whatever you want to show here. Right now I don't have any collections or any products here. We will create products as well. So let me add here another section, and in which say full width add, and say single column, and I'd say products. It is a feature products. I just simply import it, and here you can see these are the three products. Let me change the products here. I just simply click on these dot, and here you see search. I have just one product here that I just add here, and after that you can change your other products as well. It's super easy. You can add more product here, and you can simply click on delete other products as well. So I just go to the click on it, and I just go to the product area, and I will create the products. there is a two ways. Simply click on this link and go to the product area. Another thing is that simply go back and and after that you need to go payments, and in payment sections, and here you can see we have product. Yes, these are our products. We have only one product, so we need to design other products, create other products as well, or you can import from Stripe or CSV file. It's up to you. Now I just simply click on the create products, and here we need to just write the product name. We will say test product. Just type here and upload our product. In this case we say that's our product. That's a feature image. You can upload your other images as well, and here you enable product label. If you have any label on a product you want to enable it, we will say sales on, start from. If you want to add some sales on, okay, so you can put your sales on, and here your product collections. Right now we don't have any collections. Collections mean category, but we will create here say all products, and category image, and after that we need to product text. Yeah, that's a product testing structure. If you have testing, so you can select on your product testing as well. Let me finalize this. Simply just select your product collection if you have already created, otherwise I just show you how you can create it. And your payment one times or recurring means you are taking payments from monthly basis. It's subscription model, or it's a one time. We can say that one time. I would like to say that's amount, and compare amount is this, and we have inventory, and I will say it must be this, but you can make it according to your requirement. If you have variants, so simply go to here and add variant, and that's SEO title. So you can put your SEO title that appear in a Google, and you can put SEO description that appear in Google as well. And let me show you as well. I just simply type the hairstyle product. That's a title and that's a meta description. So it's simply, I just show you that's the title and that's the SEO description that will be appear in a Google. And simply save this product. So right now we have two products with no variants. And if you want to create variants, it's super easy. You can create variants. I just go to collections and I will create collection as well. That's the last time I tried, but it's not collection. And the all products. Okay, I will add image here. Edit, add options. So you can optimize it as well according to your SEO and target area. And I just go back in a product, just simply edit the product, just go to collection and I will select it and I will save it. Okay, so that's the backend. We have just created two product, and I will just go back on the store. I will just go to the store, and here the test store we have designed. I just added the store. Here is a product list. Product list, we need to change it as simply and just click on the second, and I will select the other products that I just created, and also we can design it according to our requirement. And here you can see we have offer as well. So that's the thing we have designed already. That's a dummy, it will be not appear in a store. So I just update it and preview this. It looks something like this, but we can because we have two products, so that's why it's bringing two products. Otherwise there is a four products, and here we can say that we will design bit more things as well. And here we can take full out and full column, and I will align. So I have this slider, we can make it a full width slider, and we can set the menu, and in which we can update product images, and same here. And after that we will design footer as well. So let me for a second, I just stop this. I just go to pre-build and go to product section, and here we have different products. We have on sales, another element we add, and we go to pre-build, we go to products, simply select our product on sale, and here we will select the products, and it's look like this one. And after that we will create full width column, and here we have pre-build section, and we just go to the footer and just like this footer. So right now we have footer as well. I just save this. And go back to here, and here we have one product area and footer as well. So that's how you can create products and store. You can design it according to your requirement. I know that's not a perfect design, that's just example. I just show you how you can use pre-built templates, how you can create products, and how you can add in store as well. And by the way, that's by default this checkout and these things work, no need to worry about that. And if you need any GoHighLevel services or looking for your free consultation, just simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation here, and I will jump with you on calls, and I will guide you step by step how you can create store and how you can import products from another source as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.